Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set up and use text to speak on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm provide full guide. So at first open your Play Store. Go to search option, search Seto. Okay. At first you need to install these apps. I'm already installed these apps. So go back, open settings, scroll down, click on to accessibility, then showing it to installed apps. Press on, click on to select to speak. Make sure to turn on this. Press on allow. Okay, now it's allow. Press on settings. Okay, and then showing it to this icon. Click on, then showing it to setting option. If you want to change language, okay, and select and speak rate to voice. Now pen. Okay, click on, press on,
Gemini, voice search, camera search. Install Google Gemini, Google Play, Google Gemini rated 4.5 out of 5, 11M. Supercharge your creativity and productivity.
and you just easily enjoy this feature.